So okay,
So, you know this area pretty well, right?
yeah.
It's, what you do is one of the things that you do is you walk around. You have a YouTube channel where you walk around and
Mm.
show around.
I remember when I walk on Baseco, the dog is running with me.
Oh, okay. You were running from the dog,
When
huh?
I walk vlog. but
Yeah,
but time long time ago, 3 years ago.
yeah.
Running with me.
So you usually walk in this like in areas like this a lot, right? In Philippines.
Baseco Beach.
So a lot of people here, they don't have. What do you know if there's a school nearby or how do kids here get education?
Hi.
Hi, hi, Mustaka. Anong pangalan mo?
Come on.
Anong pangalan mo?
Name? What's your name?
Oh, we're being shy now.
Ah,
And the good part is they have like stores here, you know, like sanitary stores or I've seen barber shops, so it's a cool, you know, little
mm.
world here. They have their own stores, they have their own barber
Yeah.
shops, they have
Yeah.
everything here.
Yeah, because it is a part of daily need of community here,
Yeah,
like shampoo, uh, nice personal hygiene, foods. That
yeah.
is the a daily needs of the
Yes, so
community.
they have everything here that they would need for to survive, right?
Yeah, food, shelter, clothes.
Hello, hi.
The the needs of people is food, shelter, clothes, and love life. That is the need of
Yeah.
you know,
And
including life is including now,
yeah. Well, they have that stuff here, right? So,
but not forcing. If you want be single, good. If you want partner, that is good. There's no forcing to be if you need to be have partner.
so this is kind of a like it's a long way here.
Yes, long. Actually, we are here now already. We are here in the.
Hi, puppy.
Look at the map. We
Hi.
saw the map. Come on. We are here. See the camera. There. This is a tiny line. So every left side by side of this line is this house. We go to the
Wait, one second.
to the.
Mine.
I'm sorry.
Hang on, just a second. Okay.
We go to the end of the. So 90s song is still song here.
Yeah,
90s.
it's interesting. One thing that's like about Philippines that is very interesting is that like
80s song.
everybody's playing like 90s and 80s American songs. Usually that's not it, but like a lot of times you have like American songs that are from 90s and 80s
Mhm.
playing in
They
Philippines.
love they because you know
Well,
either Japanese like Dragon Ball song. That is my our childhood song.
oh, look at that puppy. Hi, puppy. That's a good dog. I think that's a
Oh,
chow chow.
Burgoso is
That's a chow chow.
chow chow very yan. Chow King. Sarap gawin chow king.
Oh, puppy.
Tubig. Okay. Saan mo may tubig? You're still record or not?
No, I stop right now because I want to cover different areas.
Okay. So we can go back now if you want, or we can go ahead to the end.
We can go back.
Okay.
Because, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of time. Do you need my friend? Oh, what you gotta bounce. Lang. Hindi, magkape ka lang pa, abano ko eh.
Wala ba dyan, ano rin?
Magana yun. Kilawat ma, wala dyan ma. Kilawat.
May sinabi sila sa amin, hari, naubos namin 35.
Now we are proceed to the Baseco Beach. Baseco Beach. I think we go private. That's private. Hello.
Hi, Mr. Cuff. Yeah, high five. High five. You know, this year, I think sometimes,
Oh,
like in poor areas, kids don't have as many gadgets, but I think somehow that makes them happier
yeah.
than kids with gadgets.
There's so many toys here.
Yeah, I know, but like, kids, like, I think sometimes gadgets actually make it worse.
Joking and kidding makes them happy. Each other.
Yeah.
Panoorin natin yan.
Hindi Pasko. Over there.
Hey!
Very nice now because they have a street. Yeah. Unlike before, 2010 now.
Oh, this is new one.
Yes, that is new.
Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, yan na boy.
Lapit na po kayo. Kanagyan.
Dali, may nagpipicture na oh. May feeding na daw oh. Ayan na. Amerikano yan. Tatayo yan. Ipapalit yan. Daddy oh. Hello daddy. Hello na daddy.
That is Baseco Beach.
Yeah, they cleaned it up and now it's all not.
Because every typhoon is coming, the garbage go there. In
Okay.
in different city.
I think they're talking to you.
No, I'm not foreigner.
No, just kidding. I know. I know.
I am look like foreigner. Hi, hello. So every typhoon is coming, the different garbage going there, different city.
So do they clean it up or not really?
They can clean it up.
But they
but
cleaned up closer to the
I
summer,
think
right?
it is not. I think it's not the priority for now. The priority for now is the roads and
Yeah.
system lighting.
I remember like during the Turkey time they like made a big effort of cleaning up this area.
Mm,
Because I remember I actually came down here in 2019.
mm.
And in 2019,
Yes, 2019.
Wala money, Wala pera, Wala pera. So yeah, they cleaned it up pretty well, and now it looks like
Oh, come on.
okay. Let's go. Very popular here.
Yeah. There's so many blogger walking here also.
Yeah, it's one of like more famous areas I think for this. I think it's puppy. Hello. think I've walked here before.
Yeah.
Christmas. Yeah. There's fireworks or is that like gunshot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hey,
I think we find a good way.
yeah, let's not go through here. Not loving that. Wow. Hello.
However, hindi pa rin natin naisasangkabi ang positive na pwede rito yan. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng disclaimer sa video na ito. So, although wala pa talaga
Ayoko nang mag-ero.
Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty?
Not.
Oh,
We can get something for you guys.
It's enough
Yeah.
for.
Do you guys want to get something? I'll get something. For you.